Hi there, I'm John Bond from Riverwinds Consulting, and this is Publishing Defined. Today I'm going to talk about accessibility in publishing. Accessibility may be one of the least understood words in publishing. It can conjure up many topics, not the least of which may be open access. But accessibility is an approach to publishing that makes content available in alternative formats for individuals with visual impairments or learning disabilities. Making content accessible allows these readers to experience the material in whichever format that they prefer or that they feel is most efficient. People may conjure up Braille as making content accessible to people with visual impairment. Publishing, however, has progressed so much further than this. Through the use of EPUB 3, HTML5, XML first workflows, alt text, well-structured metadata, and other specific initiatives, publishers can make their content accessible to a growing audience. There are many other benefits to ensuring your content is accessible as well. First is a better product experience. When content is, quote, born accessible, unquote, all readers enjoy a cleaner experience. Second, digital content becomes more discoverable in the voice search era. The next benefit is being compliant with a growing list of funder and government mandates. Another reason to stay compliant is that it is the right thing to do. By all accounts, the groups that fall under the categories of visually impaired and learning disabilities is significant, perhaps 10% of the total population and growing. Who would not want to serve that market along with their other readers and customers? On this topic, I've authored a full report called Accessibility for Publishers, Practical Tips that demonstrates it's well within reach. Click on the first link in the notes below to get this free report. Well, that's it. I'm a publishing consultant and work with associations, publishers, and individuals on a host of content-related challenges. Reach out to me at riverwindsconsulting.com with your questions. Hit the like button below if you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel or click on the link here to see my video on using text-to-speech in publishing. And make comments below or email me with any questions. Thanks so much and take care.